Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadanya Tapasti. I'm the moderator from Group 8. For today's presentation, we will explain about setting, one of the element of literary works. So our member group is Latifah Ramadinia Putri, Nadanya Tapasti, and Sisla Rahmi. Next slide, please. Okay, from some subtopics that we will discuss are the first one is definition of setting, second one is function of setting, and the third one is elements of setting. Next slide, please. We'll start from definition of setting. When setting itself, when examining how setting contributes to a story, there are multiple aspects to consider. The setting of the story can mean many things besides the obvious where it takes place, include the location, the background, and the regional aspect. It can design a particular time and historical era of a political situation. From the setting or the story, we know the beginning of the story set, and the setting also affect what the characters do. Hamalian was stated that the setting is not only a particular time and a particular place or very substance of a region, but also the people thinks how they react, their prejudice, their insanities, and their lifestyle, with all elements that related indirectly. Setting in literary works is important because it may stir the reader's imagination as well as reveal the significance of the action. And for the second one is function of setting. This part will be explaining by Latifah Ramadinia Putri.
Thank you, Nada. Next. Several functions of setting. And the first one, to create a mood or atmosphere. Next, to show a reader a different way of life. And the third one is to make action seem more real. Next, to be the source of conflict or struggle. And the last one is to symbolize an idea. Next, please. The next part that we'll discuss is element of setting. The first one is setting of place. Setting of place direct to the location of the event that happened in fiction. Setting used for place with a certain name, certain initial, and probably in a certain location do not have the exact name, and the use of this setting with a certain name should reflect geographical condition of the place. Each place must have their own characteristic which differentiate with the others. The description of place is important to give impression to the readers, so the reader can consider which one that really happened or made up even imagination from the place in the story. The setting of place in a novel usually consists of several locations, and it moves more from one place to another place, because there is a development of plot and character. Setting of place is decided by the accuracy of description, function of the unity with another setting element. Next. In the next story, action takes place in Paris. Some quotes as evidence are, and the first one is, I don't know exactly, but I think I can do it for 400 francs. And the next one is, they walk toward the Seine, desperate and shivering. At last they fall here on one of the old carriage wandering about at night, which can only be seen in Paris after dark, as if they were ashamed of its shabby by day. And the Seine Rue des Martyrs are some of the places also located in Paris. In addition, setting the Nickel is also in Madame Loisel's house and Madame Forrester's house. Next. Next, please. Second one is setting of time. Setting of time means when the time of the story happened. It might include clues that let us know it is the afternoon, evening, the future, colonial times, or clock time. The problem of when usually connected with factual time, for example, day, month, year, weather, or a historical period. The knowledge and the perception of the reader will be used to try getting involved in the story, which is based on the setting of time. It makes the story brings the readers to the certain times. The knowledge and the perception of the reader will be used to get involved in the story, which is based on the setting of time. Next. The setting of time in the Nickel is 18th century. This is evidenced by several quotes. You can see the quotes below, and we can see that they come from the 18th century time setting where things as described by Matilde are a picture of the situation that everyone dreamed of in that century. In other words, the situation is 18th century nuance. Next. And the third one is setting of society. Setting of society is very close to the behavior of social life and in a certain place and certain time in novel. Social set.
So the third one is setting of
you.
society. Setting of society is a very close to behavior of social life in a certain place and certain time in novel. Social setting has connection with the system of social life and contains many problems in complex scope. It can be habits, custom, tradition, religion, ideology, faith, and the way of thinking. Apart from its setting of society, relates to the social status of the characters. From the necklace short story, from the setting of society contains ideology, the way society thinking. From this story, we can found that the character Matilde that described from the begins of the story just only tells about her beauty, not her education or intelligence. This is so that in this era, the aspect that really appreciate from the woman only her beauty. This is from a quote: their beauty, their grace, and their charm serving them instead of birth and fortune. In the story, it is also seen that the appearance or way of dressing is very important. Therefore, the character of Matilde to buy a dress and borrow her friend's necklace to be respected and considered by people. This is can we see from quote, nothing, only I haven't a dress and so I can't go to this party. Give your invitation to some of a friend of your whose wife will be turned out better than I saw. So the next one is setting of mood or atmosphere. The atmosphere is the atmosphere is the emotional environment or mood of the story. Atmosphere can be created by the time of day, the physical state of environment, bright, cheerful, or dull, dirty, dingy, the level of tension or safety that is felt, and etc. From the story, we can see the atmosphere of pessimism, stress, dream. This can we see from the beginning of in this end of the story. From the beginning, we can see that she suffered endlessly, feeling herself born for every legacy and luxury. She suffered from poorness of her house, from its mean walls, worn chair, and ugly curtain. Also, in the end of the story, when Matilde lose the necklace and they have to buy the new one, their life changed deeply. From the quote, what will have happened if she had never lost those jewels? Who knows? Who knows? Whose strength life is? How fickle? How little is needed to run or to save? That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Siswa. So I think that's all from our group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.